Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in OBS from the standard 16:9 landscape format to a 9:16 portrait format, which is perfect for creating content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS is loaded and you can see your main workspace, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar there with several options. Go ahead and click on File to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select Settings. This will open up the main configuration window where you can adjust all of OBS's important parameters and customize how your recordings and streams will look. Now, once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll see various categories listed vertically. You need to click on Video. This section specifically controls your canvas dimensions and output resolution, which are the core elements that determine your video's aspect ratio. This is where you'll make the changes to switch from landscape to portrait mode. In the video settings, you'll see an option labeled Base Canvas Resolution. This setting defines the overall workspace area in OBS where you arrange your sources and scenes. Right beside this label, you'll see a text field displaying your current resolution. Click directly on that text field to activate it, then clear out the existing resolution that's currently there. Now type 1080 x 1920 if you want to create portrait-oriented videos. This resolution gives you the vertical 9:16 format that's ideal for mobile viewing. Just below the base canvas resolution, you'll notice another setting called Output Scaled Resolution. This determines the actual resolution of your final exported video or stream. Right beside this label, click on the text field and type 1080 x 1920 again. It's important that both your base canvas and output resolution match to ensure your content looks consistent and doesn't get stretched or distorted during recording or streaming. After you've entered both resolutions, look down to the bottom right corner of the settings window. You'll see two buttons there. First, click Apply to save your changes and make them active. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to your main OBS workspace. And that's it! You've successfully changed your OBS aspect ratio to 9:16 portrait format, and your canvas is now perfectly set up for vertical content creation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.